Enzo Maresca got this spot on. But did you also notice what he did in the first half to completely change the game? So I want to start from Chelsea's build-up. Chelsea had the majority of the ball in the first half and they were gradually building into the game. Now I want to draw your attention to this. Look here, in the opening 10 minutes, Cucurella in a wide position in Chelsea's build-up. And it's proven pretty ineffective. Now we know that Nottingham Forest's biggest strength is to play on the counter-attack, turning the ball over in dangerous areas and attacking quickly through the middle. And this massive space left in the middle is giving them the opportunity to do that. So Cucurella begins to invert in the build-up to provide Chelsea with a little bit more structure and solidity. And you'll see even when Chelsea get up the pitch into more attacking areas, Cucurella is still there occupying central areas, helping to break up Forest's threat on the counter-attack. This was different than his typical half-space role, as Maresca knew that that was Forest's best chance of scoring in this game. But also watch how this simple movement frees up Cole Palmer. Right now you'll see that Dominguez is marking Cole Palmer, and here he's effectively being doubled up on by Sangare as well. But now that Cucurella has came inside, he's now became active in Chelsea's build-up and is now being seen as a better option to pass to, so therefore Forest need to pick him up. And who's going to do that? Dominguez. So Dominguez now has to step forward and mark Cucurella. This means he's now moved away from Cole Palmer, opening up massive amounts of space on the near side. Now because Chelsea had their left back in the middle of the pitch, it was natural that most of the play from that point on was going to come down the right hand side. But again, watch how this frees up Palmer. Because the player is on the other side, now Sangare, who is the only other player who can mark Palmer, needs to shuffle across to give support. So Palmer has effectively gone from being marked by 2 players to now being marked by 0. All from this simple movement from Cucurella. So as you can see, it served 2 purposes, in possession and out of possession. But Chelsea could have done better to utilise the space that Palmer was in most of the time. They needed to shift the ball quicker to the other side of the pitch to utilise that space. But they couldn't find him enough, which probably explains our lack of chances during the game. But this does show the intelligence that this Chelsea team have. They just need to execute it more often. So let me know, what did you spot?